Well, another business card sized print. This one is supposed to be an aeroplane. Looks like a catapult launch aeroplane. Oh, that's going to separate out before I even get it off the bed. Oh, there we are. Alright, well, we'll give that one a try. Right, let's see what we can do with it. It's very thin, obviously to make it as light as possible. Oh, I can't quite get that in there. Try it from the other side. Oh, done it. That one's a bit loose. Oh, that's our glider. Now, are we supposed to attach a rubber band to that, or just flick it like that? Because that would work. Well, it flicks. It didn't actually work. How do we get hold of this end? No, it's gonna, finger's gonna hit the tail. No, that don't work. So we might have to put a rubber band on there. I think that hook's a bit too long. It doesn't need to be that long. Then it might come off easier. I'll see if I've got a small rubber band we can use. Well, this is the smallest rubber band I could find at the moment. Well, it sort of flies. Flies as well as anything that you flick with a rubber band, I expect. I've no doubt it would keep somebody in an office amused when they've got a business card shaped like a aeroplane. Yeah. Okay, that works, sort of. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.